Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to add a zoom effect in the Capcut video editor. So let's get into it. Firstly, navigate to the Capcut app on your smartphone and tap on the icon to launch it. Once the app opens up on the screen, let's create a new project. Tap on New Project, and it will open your mobile media library. Select a media file that you want to use to add a zoom effect. Once you've selected the file, tap on Add at the bottom right to bring it onto the Capcut video editor track. So this is the image that we will use to add a zoom effect using the Capcut video editor. Firstly, select the image on the track. Then, from the bottom menu bar, navigate to Style and open it. Let's swipe this menu to find the motion effect and tap to open it. Here, in the motion effect, swipe this bar from right to left to find the 3D zoom effect. Once you find this effect, tap on it, and within a few moments, it will automatically apply to the image. You can see how this magic happens on the screen. Explore more zoom effects to make your video more attractive. Once you're satisfied with the editing, head to the top right corner. Select the video resolution for export, or change the frame rate per second and code rate if needed. When you're done, tap on the small arrow in the right corner, then Save to Device. The video will be exported to your device within a few moments. Feel free to share it with your friends and family or on social media.
If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.